Maria. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to go over something really important. It's salsa turn prepping for the leads. So there's a technique that you should practice on right and left turns, left and right turns. They have different preps. And once you understand the prep, you're going to use it throughout your salsa and you're going to help your follow tremendously. Set up her body for turning. So I'm going to go through the hardest one first, which is the left prep, and which that means is the lady is turning to the left, also known as the inside turn. Okay, so I'm going to do it off a crossbody lead, and I'm going to do it on both sides. So if I start my crossbody lead as lead, 1, 2, and I open on 3, I'm going to prep her on 4 with my torso. My torso preps out, away from the direction that I'm turning her. That's going to set up her torso to turn and her body to turn left. And I circle counterclockwise 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do it again on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, prep, 3, 4. So my torso and arms follow. So it's important to know that I don't prep with the arm. I prep with my body through my arm. So 1, 2, 3, prep, turn, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to do the outside turn prep. And remember, I can prep with both arms. So it'll be the same technique with the right. Okay? When I prep for the outside turn, I'm going to prep her on 3, turn her on 5. So on the outside turn, I'll just use the same hand. So 1, 2, prep in on the 3, and my hand is on the direction that I'm turning her. Then I'm going to turn her outside, which is to the right. 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, prep, 3, turn her, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so for the lady, when she's prepping on this, which I'll do a separate video for the ladies, anytime the lady is turning, this is important for leads to understand and to understand the basic principle of turning. And if you go back to, turns go all the way back to ballet and setting the body up. And it's also physics. So you have to understand that when the lady is going into a turn, her body must be set opposite of the direction she's turning. So if I'm turning left, my body is prepped to the right. And then you turn her to the left. She can't turn from a straight position. Well, it's just like a top cannot spin without turning it the opposite way. It has no momentum, right? It's the same principle with the human body. So I'm going to do the same preps on the opposite hand so you can see. So when I prep, 1, 2, 3, 4, notice my body, I'm prepping out to turn her left. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the right turn, which would be outside. 1, 2, prep in, set up the hand turner, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, prep in, turner, 5, 6, 7. So my hand, my body, everything's compact, ready to go, ready to turn her. And I use my whole body, not just the arms. This is what ladies, what happens when you lead with just the arms. arms, it jars the lady, throws her, and you need to use your whole body. Comes from the feet, through the legs, torso, through the arm. And the arm is the connection. If you use these tools, your fellows are going to be so happy. They're going to be smiling and just enjoying every moment. So thank you for joining me, Bridgette Maria.